Not paying for Claude subscription, you have been told a number of times you have reached the message limit and wondered what is the limit. Basically, Claude allows you a certain number of messages every 5 hours. Once you reach the limit, you'll have to wait for the next 5 hours window. This is the weekly cap, whichever hits first. Think those who use Claude free plan can send up to 40 short messages every 5 hours with no weekly cap. The exact number of messages depends on the complexity of the task or conversation. The reason there is no set number of messages allocated to you every 5 hours is due to Claude's token-based system. Instead of counting down your messages, Claude calculates the number of tokens each message is worth based on the length and context. Owner Anthropic recently increased Claude's computing capability due to partnership with SpaceX, but only the Pro, Max, and Team subscribers get increased usage. Since Claude's 5-hour message limit is determined by the complexity and length of tasks, these are some of the best practices that allow you to finish more tasks within a constraint, and if done correctly, you will get more done with your Claude. Before starting or planning a conversation to avoid back and forth messaging, you can provide as much information as you want upfront and even combine multiple questions to a single message. Try to be clear as you can in your messages, add detailed information or clarification needed. If you end up sending a message that Claude misunderstands, don't send up a follow-up correction. Instead, edit the original message to use lesser messages by clicking on edit icon and fixing the prompt to regenerate. Another trick is to start new conversation. Long chats can start using a lot of tokens since it starts getting more complex. Going from 20 tokens from your first message to 1,000 once you are in a dozen. After about 20 messages, start a new conversation. Ask Claude to summarize the discussion, copy the summary and open a new chat. You can also speed up your work throughout the day, ensuring you don't hit the Claude 5-hour limit right away.